Hey guys! So today's video is just a really quick unboxing of the Vehla Eyewear sunglasses that are super popular and trendy. They're all over Instagram and Pinterest, and I see all the influencers wearing them. So I thought that I would give them a shot and buy them. They are a little bit expensive, so I hope this video helps you in making a decision if you would like to purchase these sunglasses as well. So I've wanted these sunglasses for so long, but they're a little bit expensive, and honestly, ordering sunglasses online is always a gamble because you never really know what kind of glasses are going to look okay with your face shape, and I have a very chubby round face shape, so it was a little bit scary for me to spend so much on sunglasses and not be able to try them on before I buy them. But honestly, I saw another unboxing video of these sunglasses and I just took a gamble and I just was like, you know what, let's just buy them. They're cute, they're trendy, let's do it. So I'm going to be showing you an unboxing of these sunglasses. I think that I paid maybe close to 200 Canadian for these, and they do use DHL, so I did have to pay duties plus the $19 handling fee from DHL, so that's great. But yeah, so I think it was around 200, 220, so I'm really hoping that the quality is good for these. So let's get into it. So this is the packaging, pretty standard. It probably took around a week in total for me to get these sunglasses, and I'm pretty sure they shipped them from Australia. So, all right, so here's just the receipt. It's a cute little box that it comes in. Oh, and then a glasses case, which is just this cute little brown case. Excited! All right, comes with a little cleaning cloth like every sunglasses do. All right, so first impressions. They feel nice. They're pretty light, so maybe I was expecting them to be feeling a little bit heavier, but we'll see. So this is what they look like. And the sides on the inside have the brand name on them. And this is what they look like on. So I definitely like them. I'm probably gonna have to play around with them a little bit and see how they look at my face shape. I do have some lights on right now, so it's kind of hard to see. So this is what they look like on. I actually really like them. I would say they're really flattering on most face shapes. So I was a bit worried how they would look with my face shape, and I do think I have like uneven ears, so they sit a little bit uneven. But overall, I think they're cute. But yeah, I think that they definitely don't look bad. I'm pretty happy with them. So I think these would be so cute for the summer, and I like how they're see-through too. To be honest, I don't even know if there's UV protection in them. There should be though, right? Because they're sunglasses. Maybe. It says some UV protection. So I think that there's very minimal UV, so that's a little bit disappointing. I kind of wish there was a little bit more considering the price, but I guess they will mostly be for fashion and not for eye health. But yeah, I think they're cute. I think that they're definitely a newer shape and style than what I have previously went for. But yeah, I'm excited to wear them, and I hope I don't look too bad in them. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this helped you in deciding if you wanted to buy these sunglasses as well.